Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and studying well at home. So now today in this video I am going to share with you a topic rationalization of the three terms. Yesterday I have discussed this chapter only in which I have discussed only a single term. Okay, and if you want to see the basics then you can check the link given in the description. So now let's start with today. Now see, here there are three terms. Okay, now how we rationalize the three terms? First of all, give this equation named as 1. Okay, name this equation as 1. It is our choice that we can solve these three terms step by step or we can solve it simultaneously. But now to explain you, I am solving it step by step. Okay, first of all, I will solve each term turn by turn. First of all, I am solving 3 root 2 divided by root 6 minus root 3. Okay, so how we rationalize? Now see, in the denominator we have two numbers, root 6 and root 3. First of all, we will write the same in numerator and denominator and we will change the sign. Here there is negative sign, we will put the positive sign. Don't confuse that here we have to put positive or negative, here we have to put negative. You have to multiply and divide with the same number, and the reason I have told you in the last video. Okay, now solve it. Multiply this term with whole of this term, so I am putting a bracket over here. Now see, these two numbers are same. The difference is only in between the signs. Here it is root 6 minus root 3. Here it is root 6 plus root 3. So we know the formula a plus b into a minus b. When they are multiplied, we get a square minus b square. Here a is equals to root 6 and b is equals to root 3. So root 6 ka square minus root 3 square. Okay. Now solve the denominator. What we will get? Root 6 square is 6 and root 3 square is 3. Write the numerator as it is. 6 minus 3 is 3. Now see, cutting is done over here, but we are left with root 2, root 6 plus root 3. Now we can solve it further. Root 2 into root 6 plus root 2 into root 3. So what is the answer? Root 2 into root 6, we can write it like this, na? Because both the numbers are in the square root. So it is root 12 plus root 6. Okay. So now we have solved the first term. Now I am moving to the second term. Now I am solving the second term. This is middle one. 4 root 3 over root 6 minus root 2. Okay, now again we rationalize it. Root 6 plus root 2 divided by root 6 plus root 2. Now see, here it is negative sign, I have put over here positive sign. Okay. Now again multiply. Now see, here it is again a minus b into a plus b. In denominator you will get this form always. A minus b into a plus b. So you have to do a square minus b square always. Okay. So now root 6 square is 6 minus root 2 square is 2. What we will get? 6 minus 2 is 4. Now again cutting. The answer is root 3 root 6 plus root 2. Again we will multiply. Root 3 into root 6 is root 18 plus root 3 into root 2 is root 16. Root 6. Okay. Now I am moving to the third term. The third term is 2 root 3. Now I am solving 2 root 3 divided by 2 plus root 6. Okay. Now see, here it is a natural number over here, but the method is same as it is added to root 6. Therefore, we will multiply it with, first of all, I am writing the number. Now see, here it is positive sign. So opposite of positive is negative. So I am writing over here negative sign. Okay. Now multiply it. Now again a plus b into a minus b, we will get a square minus b square. A is 2 का square minus b is root 6, so it is root 6 square. So what we will get? Now 2 square is 4. Root 6 square is 6. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Now see, negative sign is in the denominator like this. Minus 1 is in the denominator. Na? So now I will adjust this negative sign in the numerator. How we adjust it? We can write like this. Negative sign over here. It is the same thing. Okay. Now multiply it. Minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 plus minus 2 root 3 plus root 18. Okay, so after solving this we will get this. Now we have solved all the 3 terms. Now what I will do now, put all these terms which I have solved here, name it as 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now I will put 2, 3 and 4 in 1 we get. Okay, now I will put 2, 3 and 4 in first, so I will get the solution of these terms. Okay, now see, first 2 terms are subtracted, so answer of this term is this one and the answer of this one is this. So I will subtract 2 minus 3. Okay, what I will do here, I am writing here 2 minus 3 plus 4. Okay, this is in the question given, 2 minus 3 plus 4. Okay, now I am putting the values. So second result of second one is root 12 plus root 6 minus sign. As there is negative sign, so I will put a bracket. Okay, answer of third is root 18 plus root 6. Putting a bracket, root 18 plus root 6. Okay, now this term is added, so I will add the answer of this term here. Add minus 2 root 3 plus root 18. Okay, I have put all the values of the 3 terms, these 3 terms here. Okay, in the first. Now solve it. Root 12 plus root 6 minus root 18. Now negative root 6 minus plus minus 2 root 3 plus root 18. Okay, now cut it, cutting negative and positive. Root 6 is also, this one is positive, this one is negative. Now we can write, we can solve root 12 na? But we will get, yesterday also we have solved 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6 and 3 1s are. So we can write it as 2 root 3. So I am writing root 12 as 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3, again cutting, so the answer is here as all the terms are cut out. Okay, I hope now clear to you how to solve the 3 terms, or in the question there can be 2 terms also. So this is the method only we will solve. Okay, we will solve each term and then we will put in the question given. Okay, तो आई होप आपको समझ आ गया हो. लाइक करना वीडियो को अगर समझ आया हो, लाइक एंड शेयर द वीडियो. सब्सक्राइब करना इफ़ यू हैवेंट सब्सक्राइब येट. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.